In this SolidWorks tutorial, we're going to continue learning about surfacing tools, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick demo of the Surface Loft. This works when you have two closed profiles or open profiles. They can just be a line, like a spline like this, and then you need a guided curve. So we'll see how we can use this feature. So we're working first with a 3D sketch. We've selected these two vertices of these two already existing surface panels using the spline tool in 3D sketch mode. So we have two profiles now to choose from for our surface loft. Let's go ahead and now exit the sketch. And what we'll do now is we'll go to Insert, Surface. We'll choose the loft icon. It's going to ask for our profiles first, so the one being this edge of the boundary surface down here, and then the other open profile is this spline that we just drew in the 3D sketch mode. For the guided curves, you can see that it's not fitting properly, so we're going to select this edge here of this surface fill to make it nice and blended between these two gaps. We're going to leave this up to next. Can leave that to none. There's other options though. If you want to merge tangent faces, that's a good idea. Direction vector, I don't really use these too much. You can see in the preview it's lining up, so we'll select OK. And you can see how nicely that surface loft fits between two open or closed profiles. So that's all I wanted to show you for today. It's very good for surfacing panels of sports cars or in aerospace. So hope you enjoyed that. We'll get into more surfacing tools later in future tutorials. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. Thank you.